Hey guys, this is me Pyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to show Discord game activity on mobile. Actually, what you can do on your phone is go to the settings and go to the activity status. You can show enable that your activity status is shown, because if you play a game on your phone, it won't be detected by Discord. Unfortunately, also other people can't view your status, or basically you are now playing. If you play a game on your phone, so there's not really a point in that. Discord has not made that a feature yet, but what you can do manually on your phone, if the phone is you only thing to work with, if you don't have a laptop or anything like that, you can first of all enable activity status, then go to the top and go to the set status. You can set a custom one. You can say, for example, playing Minecraft. And of course, this is probably not completely what you are looking for, but there is not really a better solution to this on a phone than this, because it's just not possible to detect the game on your phone when you are playing. So this was the process by which you can show Discord game activity. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.